kind of a special day. We're meeting up with an old friend, someone that you guys been hitting me up and wanting to see on the channel again. Not gonna tell you who that person is. In fact, we're gonna wait till we meet up with them before we disclose that. What I can tell you is we're going to a place in Norco called Badlands BBQ. I've been there before in a video, and it was so good, so I can't wait to come back. It's also one of the favorites of the person we're gonna meet. Yeah. We'll pull over in a minute and I'll talk to Johnny a little bit, tell him where we're going. Johnny, today we're gonna go meet up with an old friend, someone that we haven't featured on the channel in quite some time. I think everybody watching will be pleasantly surprised. What I can tell you, barbecue.
All right.
I know you like your barbecue. Barbecue. I don't think I go to enough barbecue places on this channel. I mean, we live in Southern California, so there's not a whole lot to choose from. We got Lucille's and Dickey's. I mean, those places are great and all, but you guys know how I like to do it on this channel. I like to find the hole in the wall, hidden gems. Oh, so I did something cool for the patrons. You guys mean so much to me, so I wanted to do something a little more for you than I do. Because let's face it, I don't do a whole lot. So on my website, suburbandelinquent.com, I created a whole page specific to the patrons. And all of you that are current, I have your name listed there. What I want from you guys, get on there, send me an email, and I want to link your Patreon name to your social media if you want. If you have a YouTube channel, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, whatever it might be that you want, you know, a little bit more exposure on, let me know, man, and I'll put hot links to your name and to your desired social media. So while I'm talking about the patrons, thank you guys. You guys mean the world to me. My GPS isn't talking to me. Last thing I want to do is get on the highway and not know where the hell I'm going. So before we started this video, we had an encounter with some weird dude. We pulled in the parking lot and tried to do the intro for this video, and some dude comes screeching in behind us, fucking all angry, gets out of his car, throws his shirt on the ground in front of us, and goes sits down and have a cigarette. I thought that was really bizarre considering where we had parked. There shouldn't have been anyone there, really. Johnny said before we pulled in the parking lot that the guy got in between us and was acting all aggressive. Would have been nice if Johnny would have said something to me before I let the dude get all up close to us. You know what we're doing today?
Spicy challenge.
What's that? What bike is that? GSX-R? It's all beat up though, man. Beat up? I said it's all beat up. How much? How much for what? It's not for sale. I don't know. Bizarre. Maybe some tripped out fan, dude, just to try to make the vid. Can't rule shit out these days. Johnny. Alright, turn this on. Just for a minute. A lot of traffic happening here. On my way, Chris. If you guys want to do me a favor, why don't you hit that like button on this video? Sure appreciate it. We have fun on this channel. I like to bring you with me. No drama, no Whoa. Yeah. Yep, Johnny's still with us. I don't think anyone's going to let this guy in. Or maybe he doesn't know his signal's on. Alright, hold on. Tight ass fit right there. Ooh. Then we got this dude. Come on. Ah! Alright, I'm horrible at keeping a secret. We're gonna meet up with Baker X Derek. Haha. You lost your hat?
Yeah.
Johnny lost his hat. I think it's in there. I think we passed it. I don't know. All right, we're going the right way. I think it's in here. I'm not sure though. Oh, GPS. Now it's GPS. GPS pisses me off. I was sitting right in front of the place. It waits till I go by it and it says turn right. And then it says make a U-turn. Yeah, it's back there. GPS told me to go straight and then it said do U-turn. Alright, what do you think? You think Baker X Derek's going to be here before us? Not a chance in hell. That dude's always late. And when he's with R.S.M, minimum half hour late. Alright, it's 1 o'clock. We're supposed to meet at 1. I am perfect on time. It's 12:59 right now. Front spot parking. What time is it?
It's like 1 o'clock.
1 o'clock on the dot. We'll see what time he gets here.
Hey, what's up, man? Even though we already said hi. How you doing?
It's been a while. How are you?
Been a while. I wish you had your helmet on when I pulled up so it looked more authentic.
I had my helmet on till 10 after and I decided to take it off. Congrats on the car.
Oh yeah, thanks, man.
Dude, that's a sick car.
Hell yeah. Every time you do that, I feel like I'm in like 6th grade again.
Badlands.
Back at it again.
Yeah, this place is good, man. It's your spot.
Dude, I'm gonna literally suck the meat off the bones so good here off the ribs that I'm gonna give Oprah Winfrey a run for her money on 2nd Street in LA on Saturday night.
Thank you.
Alright, everything look okay?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Badlands BBQ, as good as you remembered it?
Better.
Better. I don't know what I got last time versus what I got this time, but I was really impressed this time.
Literally a jizz-inducing meal, to say the least.
About 18 bucks?
It's awesome, man. Some of the best ribs I've had.
The best or some of?
Some of the best.
So I didn't bring the camera in there, dude. I was carrying too much shit. But Dude, you surprised us. You bought us some Burger King soft serve.
Yeah, I soft served you all kinds. There was a much needed reuniting and video, and well, I hope that everybody likes to see it like the old times again and seeing us back in an old video.
We'll do it again.
Had a great time. Definitely do this again real soon.
If you aren't already subscribed to the old BXD, check them out. Link in the description of the video. Your video will come out 2 weeks before mine.
2 weeks? It's going to be out in probably 2 days.
I'm saying I won't even be able to look at mine for 2 weeks. Definitely good riding with Derek. It's been a long time. We just live so far apart. Anyway, with that, if you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't yet, subscribe. Share these videos, man. Tell your friends about them. Again, let everybody know how much fun we're having on this channel. I do have another channel on YouTube. It's all dirt bike stuff. Much love to the Patreons. You guys are great. Check out my website, suburbandelinquent.com. I've got lots of stuff happening there. I've got pages dedicated to all the gear that I use to make these videos. Big love to the channel partners, Chaparral Moto, the law offices of Henry Haddad, Voss Helmets, and LUIMOTO. Some good companies right there, guys. All I ask, if you're in the market for any of their services or products, please consider them first. I know they'd appreciate it, and I sure would too. All right, I'll catch you guys later. Love you all.